Want to know how to change your frame rate or FPS in Raid Shadow Legends? So, frame rates play a vital role in your game's performance as well as your phones as well. So, let's get right into it. So, first things first, you can just simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends application. So, we have also created a video on how to install and open up Raid Shadow Legends, so make sure to watch that. So once you're on this interface, on the top website you should be seeing your profile right here, just like that. And now once you've created your profile, here you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. So on the third option right here below by the realm ID, you should be seeing options, just simply like that. And now once you've selected your options, here you should be seeing your frame rate that you can change from. So you can just simply change from 30 to 60 or more according to your device support. And that's it, super simple and easy. So it should be automatically saved as well. Now make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.